I want you to put this into effect right now. So number one is you have complete access, okay? So that means that you could pull up any loan type. What LOS are you working with? Encompass?
Encompass, yeah.
So in Compass, you have a column that's called loan program, right? So you can add a column based on funding date. So the only thing that I would switch up, because you sound solid, you know, I love your voice because it's that East Coast. I've always, man, I literally think I should have been born in the East Coast. I think that, you know, that's me. So I appreciate that. But number one is the only thing that I would switch up is where you say, hey, do you have a few minutes? I'm going to go over some things with you. So remove that from your dialogue and come at the notion that if I were to call you and I'd be like, hey, Paul, this is Dan with New American Funding. Hey, we got this campaign that's going on right now. I have a scheduled appointment to actually check in with you. This is more of a courtesy notification. Anyway, this notification is actually going to you. It's going to go to the email that we have on file. And I got paulc@gmail.com. Is that email still valid?
Yes.
Okay, good. So anyway, we got a campaign that's going on right now. It does expire next month, but it shows you how to leverage today's current market and also add the incentives that you're already entitled to because you have your loan with us or because you started your loan with us.
Right.
So whether or not you exercise these entitlements is up to you, but I've been assigned to make sure that you at least know the details. So I'm going to send it to this email, but hey, you know what, Paul, while I got you on the phone, let me verify a few things before I send it out. So that way it's worth your time when you look at it. You see the difference?
It's a big difference because you're not giving them a chance to kind of back out or say, hey, look, no, I'm not interested.
You're not asking for permission.
You're not asking for permission. You're just kind of putting it out there.
Yeah,
if they ask what this report is it about money savings? Is it about lowering their monthly payment? Is it about the interest they're saving over the life of the loan? All three, you know, all three?
Yeah, great question. So here's what it's about, Paul, is that there have been some recent changes that actually started this year that may enable you to take advantage of programs that you were not able to access last year. Everything from the loan amount that you have to the location of where your property is. There are certain programs that are available that you need to be aware of so you can access them if it can help you. So let me ask you, and I can help you, you know, save a ton of time right now, Paul. If you were to improve your term, what's your focus? Is it to maximize savings or are you trying to pay it off sooner?
No, to maximize savings. You know, I know the rates have been low and they've been out there, so I just want to see if it makes sense to do.
Yeah, definitely. And most people, when they maximize savings, are looking for that cash flow, right? And so that's what this campaign is really about. It's just making sure that we're helping the people that deserve it and need it most. And so if we were to create the cash flow that you need or the savings, what would you do with it?
Oh, you know, listen, I mean, I got kids I'm raising, you know, I'd find plenty of things to do with it. I'm not really carrying any debt on my credit cards or anything, but, you know, to have a few $100s more a month could be an extra vacation, could be some home improvement, but we'll see.
Yeah, for sure. If anything, it just gives you the flexibility to pay your loan down faster, right? So here's how it works is I'm just going to verify a few things before I send it out. That way it's custom fit to you. And it's not just generic information, but I have all your information already. So it's super easy. Here's the thing is that the only way I'm able to give you access to this campaign is I need to know that it serves your needs. I know that you want extra cash flow for a vacation, but beyond that, I can't notate vacation. I got to say that it's really going to help you, right? So here's the thing is that I want to get understanding of where you're at now. Does that make sense? Now I open a dialogue with you. Get it?
Right. Right.
I'm not asking.
Created some trust.
Yeah, it's on its way. It's in motion already. It's happening. It's happening whether you like it or not. And I think that is something that consumers pay attention most because imagine any of the servicers or vendors that you have right now from your cable to phone, your internet, right? If they notified you and said, hey, you have incentives that you could activate, right? Because you're already with us. You know, do you want to activate them? Hell yeah, I want to activate them. You know what I mean? Give it all, right? Like, give it all to me. And so that's food for thought, but I hope that helps.